I think when it comes to the world of work, we're going to start seeing video even more than ever. And what I mean by that, we're already seeing lots of video out there, of course, but we're going to be seeing where I believe that regular everyday workers are being asked to make videos that can be shared with team members or, through the company or with customers or whatever. So, having skills around video and maybe editing videos and all that's going to be kind of growing. So there are ways that we can take ChatGPT, what it's good at, like maybe writing copy or creating a script for your video, and then using other AI systems to help us create these videos and edit these videos very simply and easily, and maybe even put in our voice and all that too. And I'm going to show you that here in a moment, how you could do this even today to kind of give you a future view of what this might look like. So let's take a look at that. So let's say you've been asked to provide a short little training thing about how to lead a meeting, right? We've done that before, right? So let's say how to lead a meeting. So I'm going to put in there, into ChatGPT, like I might say, create a video script on how to lead a meeting, right? So you've been asked to do that for new hires or something like that, and you're supposed to create this video, right? So first what we're going to do is we're going to create a script, then we're going to record I'm going to show you how to basically record the video without you being on camera, by the way. You don't have to be on camera for all this, and it's how we're going to use this by leveraging the AI. So first thing we're going to do is, get the content here, right? So here it's got the outline, it's got the script, and it's going to give you an example of this, right? Now, how the outline could be transformed into a script, right? So, sure, here's a basic outline for a script on how to lead a meeting, and then it's actually turned it into a script, basically, where it might not be exactly what I'm looking for, but it's good enough for our purposes here. All right, so nice little good script. Even says, "Have a great day." Isn't that nice? It's very friendly. All right, so let's say I'm going to copy this. Like here's a basic outline for a script on how to lead a meeting, right? So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go into a program called Descript, right? So this is more AI stuff. This is a company called Descript. They have a free version. They should still have a free version. If not, they have paid versions too. And I'm going to title my video. Now I'm going to edit and create my video. I'll call it just leading a meeting, right? Training. And then we'll have some final output as far as a video. I can just start writing, right? So I'm just going to copy paste this all in as far as what I did. Got to type there. There we go. And so everything I had from ChatGPT has now been input in there, right? So here is this is now my canvas. This is now a video. So you can see the timeline at the bottom here, but I don't have to be an expert in video editing. This is text-based, right? So from here, I could, maybe break this up into sections or add different stuff. I'm going to keep it real simple, and we'll just have it where you can now add things to this video. So let's say I want to add from their library of videos or images. Maybe I want to have an image of a meeting, right? So we're going to have an image of the meeting, and the video is going to play over this image. And this comes with a lot of different video images. Maybe we like this one. Somebody's leading the meeting. And now if I click on that, it's going to basically download this media and insert it. So I've taken the text from ChatGPT, put it into a video editing software, which is the Descript. It's not based where you have to have a lot of editing skill. You can just edit text out. Like if I just wanted to take out some text, I could just delete it. So basically I'm editing this, but I have no thing recording here, right? You might be like, well, that's great. I have my text, my script. I have a cover image, which the voiceover can play right over this. I can easily actually adjust this in the program. This is just more of the program stuff to fill up my full canvas so it shows full screen once we produce it. And then this is where the AI comes in, right? So see where it says speaker here, I can choose like stock voices, and these are all individual stock voices in here that I could choose from that are already recorded, or I can do what's called creating my own voice. Well, it's called creating my own voice, but basically if I send them video files or audio files of me talking, it can create an audio file that'll know millions of words and stuff on the paid version. 3,000 words, I believe, is on the free version of my own voice. So this is a voice I've created in Descript of my voice. So if you were to listen to this, you would hear my voice talking. And is it a little robotic? Yeah, it's a little robotic for now. It's not terrible, but it's a little robotic. So in the interest of time, I'm not going to show you how to export the video and all that. You might not need to do that. But here's a simple way where I created when I wanted to say like a script, I could read that into a camera, just like with a teleprompter or anything. Looks like your local news. I could put it in an editing program like the script. And then with the script, they have the AI that basically transforms a recording of me into a recorded voice that then can be applied, no matter what I'm saying, and just adapt it to the individual words that are written there. So there's a merging of AI, ChatGPT, and video editing as well.